Hi, I'm Gary. I'm here at the Magic Kingdom Town Square. A really exciting day. Musical superstar Ariana Grande is celebrating her birthday right here at Walt Disney World with a whole bunch of her friends and family. So let's go take a look.
I wanted to come home to Florida and do something that I always did as a kid for my birthday. So I got dressed up in a huge, massive Minnie Mouse inspired 50s kind of big dress and came here and wanted to be a kid for a little while. And then I third wheeled it with Cinderella and her boyfriend.
Go to the train.
Okay. Mickey, I love you. Thank you.
Mickey, have fun greeting all of our guests.
One more head. Thank you.
Bye-bye, Mickey.
See you later.
You have a new single coming out very soon. Tell us about that and what you have going on the next few months.
My new single actually reminds me of Space Mountain a ton. I feel like it should be playing on that ride. It's very like EDM, sort of dancey and electronic. It's called Break Free, which I did with Zed, which is very exciting. And it's like a space age kind of video. It's like a 60s, like Barbarella-y type space age video. And so when I was on, we went on Space Mountain about like 5 times last night. And we were here till 1 in the morning. We went on a million times. And when I was on it, I was like, I kind of feel like my song should be bumping right now. Like it's totally that vibe. So it's kind of the perfect situation. So thank you for having me.
Oh my gosh, happy birthday.
Thank you. I'm an adult now.